There are generally many choices here. We always go for the spray foam insulation, but you obviously can use polystyrene, which is cheaper but messier, or you can be more environmentally friendly and use lamb's wool. The advantage I see of using the spray foam, every inch of steel is covered. As you can see here, there's no bare steel, because if you leave even an inch of bare steel, the steel will condensate later on, and that will show through in your woodwork in years to come. So don't cut any corners at this stage, and make sure the boat is fully insulated. A, it won't condensate, and B, of course, it's going to keep you warm when you hire this boat in the coldest of the days. It'll always stay nice and warm inside here.